Hey there, this is first part of game development progress log. So here I'm just going to start this course, which is officially from Unity. Few months ago I started this course, but completed only till this second part, basic gameplay. This time I'm going to start and yeah, my aim is to finish this and complete till user interface. So yeah, okay. Then let's create new project. I will name it as chapter one. Okay, create license is invalid. Oh, so I had not used Unity for long time, so I need to renew the license. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now. I will just update in later parts whatever progress I make. Yeah, so I just gone through Unit 1 till the fourth section of Unit 1, and here is what I made till now. So I have one object in game which can just yeah, so which can go front, go back, and camera will follow it, and it can make collisions with, and it can also fall down, and it will keep falling till infinity. Yeah, I so today is 19 March and I not touched this Unity tutorial for almost 1 month. Last Sunday I started on 12 March again and today is 19 March. So from 1 week I just continued and I completed this Unit 1, Unit 2 and now I'm in Unit 3 and this is the progress till now. So this was a challenge one, which was at the end of Unit 1. So yeah, this is plane, and I and control players have to control so that plane do not collide any wall, and yeah, it's done. And second thing which I worked on is this one. So here we have animals spawning at random location, and I have to feed them this organic carrot. I think I should reduce the speed of animal. Oh, yeah. So if I feed them, then they will happily go. And this is the modification of same game. Here balls are falling, and I have to send my dog to catch the ball. And if ball dropped on the ground, then game will be over. I think it's already showing game over. I missed first ball, and this is the third chapter, and here we are using gravity in Unity to make it properly jump, and Oh, it fall down. And I think it need more work because if I keep pressing space, then character keeps going up. This is game in itself. I have to. Okay, character is going down now. So yeah, this is the progress till now. Uh, Now I am in Unit 3 Sounds and Effects. So this chapter will deal with adding topics, adding sounds. That's it for now. Hello there. So today is 16 April and it's almost 1 month since I recorded last time. But yeah, so this is chapter 3 and it's working now, it's completed. So our player jumps and game over. So the thing is that now our player is jumping and when landing, it's landing properly. It's not changing its orientation. And also we are having some particle effects while running. And also we have particle effects at the time of collision like this. And once game is over, we get true log here. And this is challenge 3, which is after that chapter 3. So here, I think I added extra pose to the balloon, but what we have to do is that we have to collect these dollar coins and avoid bombs. And this is chapter 4. This is a good one. And so what happens is that these enemies try to push us out of this platform, and we have to protect ourselves. And we can take these power-ups which will protect, which was supposed to protect us, but yeah, that's how it works. And based on same mechanics, we have here football game. So we can collect these power-ups and then stop those balls from hitting our goal. These balls are coming, we have to stop them, but controls are not that good because to move forward, I can press up and down arrow, and to change this angle, I need to press left and right arrow, which is not much comfortable. It's better if we can use mouse here. But yeah, that's how it works. And this is chapter 5. So it is similar to Fruit Ninja. For some reasons, buttons are not working. I made it 2 3 weeks ago. At that time, it was working, but it's not working now. So yeah, this was just copy of Fruit Ninja. Fruit used to spawn here, and we can slash them, and we need to avoid those bombs. But for some reasons, it's not working now. And so these were projects which I completed under this Learn Unity, and now after that I purchased uh, this course from Unity, and also completed it. So here we have character and several enemies, and we so this is our main character, and after roaming here and there, some enemies spawn, and so yeah, this was the game, but I made too many changes, and it also stopped working, I think. So at the time when I made it, it was working, but later when I added more things, and also I tried to do things by my own, so now it's not working that good. But yeah, still I can hit enemy, and when I kill enemy, then we get these orbs. We can collect them, and once all enemies are dead, this gate will open and we can go. Same thing we need to do here as well. Enemies should spawn, and gate should be here, but that part I not worked on. But yeah, this game helped me to learn how to use character controller and how to use this animation and all that. So yeah, and this is a project which I made for my qubit by qubit course on intro to quantum computing, and yesterday I submitted it. So here we use concepts of quantum mechanics to play this game. So if I start this, right now we are in zero state. Qubit can have zero state, one state, and superposition state. As soon as
Hey
I hit
stranger,
LN, then
I was
gate will
working
open,
on
and
quantum experiment and somehow
I
towards
can
a
read this
collapse.
message. I can press
Also,
OK.
one of my cat accidentally
Now,
entered the quantum
the
vortex.
only rule in this quantum world is
Instead of
that
fixing all the
I
mess,
cannot
I
collapse
created
back to qubit
simply
zero. If I
play
collapse
saver.
back to zero, then game will be lost. And so this is zero state, which I was initially, and this is one state, plus and minus state. These are superposition state, and these orbs are gates like Hadamard gate, G gate, and X gate. So in one state, if I take this, oh, I took X gate, so I got
Hey
collapse
stranger,
back from
I was
1
working
to
on
0,
quantum
and that's why I
experiment
lost the
and
game.
somehow towards a collapse. Also, one of
But
my cat
if I
accidentally entered
keep
the quantum
moving,
vortex. Instead
okay,
of
I got
fixing
Hadamard
all
gate,
the mess,
that's
I
good.
created simply play saver.
Also, I can hit these enemies using headshot, and that one is Botcher. And if I came in front of him, and that light falls on me, that there are 50% chances that I might lose the game, because so yeah, I was lucky that I got collapse back. I got collapse back to one. If I collapse to zero, then I will lose the game. So that's how it works. And same thing here. Also, I need to shoot, give them headshot, and this one is Watcher. I can give him headshot. Oh, I think Watcher fall down. And also I had added quiz mechanics as soon as player hits collider, and we get this quiz. And if on answering wrong quiz, our score will decrease, and if his score goes below zero, then we will lose the game. Also, I had added mechanics that if someone falls to below zero, then they will respawn, but it's not working properly for now. Player keeps falling, and eventually game will be over, and it's not working as expected. But yeah, if we continue to play a game and reach to that end, to that platform, then game will be over and we will win the game. So this was project, and this is the progress till now.
Hi everyone. So later I completed this game around 10 to 9. So I did some more features like some power-ups, and now if we hit enemy, then our score increases and enemy spawn with after a certain radius. And we have three power-ups total now. One for increase in speed, and another for increase in the jump capacity, and both are denoted by diagonal sorts. Also, we have new feature which was not working earlier, so now it's working. Like if character falls down, then uh, score will decrease by some points, and character will be saved by this extra platform. And we have new kind of enemies, watchers, who sit at their place, and if they observe, then character will collapse from superposition. Also created new platforms which fall down automatically if character jumps on them. And after some time, platforms will come back to original position. I go here, and if I run explode, then which platform I will also just fall down. After this, we have uh, one more quiz, and this platform we have to fight these enemies and then reach to that cat and save her. So if you are interested in playing this game, then you can head over to this.io and download game from there. For now, I had uploaded on the Windows version. If you want to play it on Mac, then just let me know. I will upload that version also. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.